Welcome in. Wherever you are right now, you showed up. 10 minutes to come home to yourself, to let go of the mental weight you've been carrying. So let your body settle. Take one slow breath in through your nose and release it gently. Feel the ground beneath you, the floor, the mattress, whatever is holding you right now. Let it hold you completely. Let's take 3 grounding breaths together before we begin. Breathe in slowly, filling your belly first, then your chest. And breathe out fully, releasing any tension in your jaw, your shoulders, your hands. Again, in and out. Let your body drop a little heavier with each exhale. One more in and completely out. Now place one hand on your lower belly if it feels right. This is the seat of your root chakra, your foundation. This is where we begin. Now we'll move into our affirmations. Receive each one fully. You don't need to force belief. Just allow the words to settle in. I am safe. I am grounded. I am here. I am supported by the earth beneath me and the life within me. I am worthy of stability, and I return to it now. I am rooted. My foundation is strong and growing stronger with each breath. I am steady in the present moment. This is the only moment that requires me. Let these words move past your mind and into your body. Feel your root chakra softening and activating. A warm, steady energy right at your base. Now we turn toward the doubt. Not to fight it, but to gently release it. I am releasing all doubt that no longer serves me. I am free from the fear of making the wrong choice. I am no longer held back by what was. I choose what is. I am clearing the path forward with every breath I take. I am dissolving hesitation from my body, my mind, and my energy field. I am more than my doubts. I always have been. If you feel anything shift, even slightly, trust it. That's the work happening. Now we move into activation. This is where we build, where we turn the stillness into direction. Let these affirmations feel like fuel. I am ready. My body knows what to do, and I trust it. I am taking one step, then the next. That is enough. I am someone who begins. I am someone who follows through. I am aligned with my purpose, and I move toward it with ease. I am in motion. Momentum is my natural state. I am not waiting for perfect conditions. I am the condition I've been waiting for. I am grounded in action. My roots give me the strength to reach. Say that last one again with me if it resonates. I am grounded in action. My roots give me the strength to reach. Feel that settle in. Really let it land. You've done something meaningful today. You chose to show up for yourself before the noise of the day could take over. That is not a small thing. Take one final breath in and hold it for just a moment at the top. And let it go completely. Carry this grounded feeling with you today. When doubt creeps back in, and it might, return here. Return to your breath. Return to your roots. You are not paralyzed. You are not stuck. You are a person in motion, even when it's slow, even when it's quiet. One step is enough. One breath is enough. You are enough. I'll see you tomorrow.